Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ubeshweswar Tudu Menteri Pynbeit Yakatan Jal Shakti bagi Tribal Affairs habakran bagi nong thok kubor hadian ke jingya kandu bagi officer jong ka sarkar jilla uloong baka kam dayat bah bat kidan kam ban Pynbeit Kloi ula benrap ru da ka baong bahaga jingya kren kilapan biang hendai la syai kasngi undet ban jurap yaki projek bapher ban pen uloong ru bagi de ban yat kat kum ki kandon.
You see, I think this type of review has not done with us. So they are not prepared. This is actually real fact. But I feel, no, in national level, I think it is below 50%. So accordingly, here is also the same. But due to this hilly area and communication, transportation is also a issue. Many agencies, they are not interested, they are not feeling comfort to work. So it is actually delays. For one project, 2 or 3 times also the tender process is going. So naturally it is going delay. But I have suggested them to follow the procedures and if possible we will relax some in guidelines so that the work will be possible.
Is the center providing any more fund to the state?
You see, donor is giving so much importance to the northeast states. So, according to the progress and practical works, again the donor will give the funds. And एक लाइन में मैं बताऊंगा तो कम कुछ अच्छा भी हो रहा है और बाकी कुछ ऐसा भी है कि that should be rectified. Okay? And I have given them that suggestion.
Sir, means the implementation of the program, central program, you are saying that should be rectified?
No, one thing you see, as per the documents and as per our discussion, I am satisfied. But in practical, tomorrow I am going to visit some projects and after I can give you the details.
Sir, rectification in which department is required?
No, in मान लीजिए कि बंधन विकास केंद्र में व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, whether this procedure is following or not. जल जीवन मिशन में इस तरह जो प्रोजेक्ट है अमृत सरोवर, whether they have selected properly or doing properly. Tomorrow I will visit. After that I will be discussed in 2 or 3 steps.
But earlier you said that you will review the border thing, that these tribal peoples at the border areas are protesting, so you will be reviewing it. So have you reviewed it here?
No details I have not reviewed exactly. I will talk in political level. In political level, first I will discuss so that getting the information from the political side, I will review in the administration.